German roadblock. What now?
I'm a strike to the bed. Adios, amigos!
What the hell are you doing, Sarge?
I don't know. Sure hope it works.
Hit it! Go, go, go!
Come on, guys, stop 'em!
Hit it! Go, go, go! Oh, hey, great. Good move. Remind me to thank the captain.
Shut up, Elder, and get your ass out! Let's go, Martin! Move it, move!
I can't do this!
You volunteered.
Hey, cover me!
You stink! Elder, ever steal a car?
Only when I need one, Sarge.
Martin, cover him! Damn it, Elder, hurry up!
Working, Sarge. I'm working on it.
Quit working and get done! God, Biff, this is on you!
I got it!
Yeah, but don't get it on me. In the car, Martin, cover him! Step on it, get us out of here! Come on, Elder, faster, get it!
I am driving faster!
Turn right. Right up there!
What's it look like I'm doing, damn it?
You mean besides getting lines. You can slow down, Private. I said you can slow down.
Oh, yeah, right. Yeah. Sorry.
Right turn, right here.
Yeah, you got it. You got it.
I gotta go report in to Major Shepard and get our orders. Take 5, but stay put.
Okie doke, Sarge. What the hell else am I gonna do?